I thought Visayas Art Fair is an eye-opener of many Cebuano to a modern contemporary.
It's the perfect opportunity for artists to get to know one another
and to learn from talks and workshops that the Visayas Art Fair has offered for this year.
Ang vision ko talaga is pag-promote sa art dito sa Cebu.
and it's good to expose yourself and expose the community and all the people who appreciate art.
All of us here in the Bodega Design, I witnessed how good the craftsmanship of each artisans, may it be furniture, may it be fashion accessory, and it gave me so much motivation to do better with my craft.
Nung ginagawa ko to, 28 years old ako. Ngayon, 83 na ako. Once an artist, wala yung tanda sa bata, mas mahilig ka.
When Kenneth curated Bodega, I found that his choices very interesting because each one tells a story of our design philosophy, but also reveals a facet of the design aesthetic.
It should continue yearly because it gives us the opportunity to showcase all our products, not only for the local market, but also the international market.
So many creative people that we were able to share our experiences, our hopes and aspirations. It was really, really fun, and we really, really hope to come back again.